Welcome back. Daniel Parsons here, and I have a real quick video for you from the Life Farm Wellness Company based in Southern California since 2011. This is simply just my nameplate from a Mediterranean cruise that I was blessed to be able to attend in 2024 with the Life Farm Company. So right behind me is the Life Farm Cellnergy Red Light TeraHertz Wellness device, and it's attached to the Life Farm Cellnergy Wellness stand. And so you can get two of these in a buy one, get one offer until midnight, Saturday, the 11th of July, Pacific time. So you need to get that order in because once 23:59, which is 1 minute before midnight, hits, the computer software is set to not honor the discount code, which I might as well go on screen share and show you right now. And so here is your BOGO offer. Just put in the code July BOGO in all caps and buy one, get one. The IBO price, which IBO is independent business owner, and it doesn't cost any money when you buy a package like this to be an independent business owner. I've been in wellness companies that charge you, some of them even real big fees, and so Life Farm doesn't act like that. So customer price is $450. If you just want to be a customer, we love customers. So let me stop sharing and go back over here and just share with you that if you type in a web browser, this is how you go to the offer, and then lifepharm.com/Daniel. And that's my username. So just mylifefarm.com/Daniel. And the farm is spelled PHARM. So right here, let me go on screen share. Go back over here. And let's go screen share, share screen, Life Farm. Okay, here we go. So let's go up to, okay. Done. Okay. So you would just simply select products, and then Cellnergy Wellness is down here towards the bottom of the screen, right above that Cellnergy Power Cream, which I've got family members that just are absolutely, they're athletes, and they really like that wellness cream, that power cream, because it really does go under the skin and give you some relief from inflammation and discomfort. This is the way to order, and you would just put that in your cart, and then you would just click on at the checkout July BOGO. So that's it for, let me go off the screen share and come back over here, and look forward to helping you with any of the Life Farm products. This is Daniel signing off for now. Bye for now. Breakout rooms, host controls.